Welcome to today's video. In this video, we are going to be learning how to design a simple church, a simple Sunday flyer, just like this one, just like what you are seeing on the screen. So this is OKD service. If you are new here, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so you can get updated. You can get updated when we release a new video. So let's get right into the design. All right, I'm just going to import this design. I'm going to create new. Let's delete this. I'm going to bring in this design from my gallery. Okay. So I'm going to bring it in. All right. All right. This is it. This is it. So I'm just going to turn it off. Okay. Now let's import our image. So the first image there is the church image. So we are going to use it as our background. We are going to use it as our background. So let's look for the image. Let's look for the image. Okay, this is the image here. This is it. So I'll just click on it and all right. So this is the image. Now, are we doing next? So we are going to draw. We are going to draw a shape just above this image. We are going to draw a shape just above this image. All right, and we color it. Let's color it blue. So the next thing we do is reduce the opacity. Reduce the opacity a bit. So I think this is it. Reduce the opacity a bit. Now, okay. Okay, okay. So we bring in our text. It's actually a very simple design. So we bring in our text. So the text we have here is Jesus saves. Jesus saves. Okay. Alright, so let's select a font. Alright, so the font I use is I think this. Yeah. So increase the size. It's too much. Alright. Sorry. So we just position it well. Then we reduce the lines, the spacing. Reduce the line spacing. Okay. So we reduce the line spacing and we have something like this. Okay. So the next thing we do now, we are going to bring in our dark down part. So we are going to click here. Then click on draw. Then increase pen size, increase blur radius. Then click once on our screen and make okay. Then we just increase this. We just increase this. So we place it well. Place it very well. can duplicate it and place them well. Then we bring our Jesus saves on top. Alright. So the next thing we do, let's adjust this a little bit up. Alright. So this is it. So let's bring in, okay, let's do the next. Okay. So we bring in the reminder. So bring in the reminder. So to do that, we are going to draw a square. We are going to draw a shape. A shape, a just little shape. Alright. So shape like this. So the color is, we are using a gradient color. So we bring it down. So we reduce it a bit and align it very well. So let's align it very well. Okay. So the next thing is our text. So we have reminder. Then we change the font. So the font I used, Helvetica Condensed. That is the font I used for this. So we are just going to bring it down. So let's bring it down. So I made a mistake here. So I'm just going to correct it. Remind that. So we reduce the size. We are going to increase this. There's still another way to do this. Sorry. There's still another way. We can either use background, or we can either use background color for this text. So we go to this background, we just turn it on. Then we choose gradient. We look for the gradient. So this is it. So we add a little padding to the left. Then we add a little to the right. So this is it. So we're just going to remove this, and we put this here. We put this here. Okay. Then we bring in our bell icon. Bring in our bell icon. So we just look for it in our. Okay, this is it. All right. So reduce it. This is it. Now we just move it down. We are going to rotate this icon a little bit. We're going to rotate it. We're going to rotate it a little bit. Okay. So you just rotate it, and Let's align it well. Alright. So next thing we do, let's bring in our lens flare. So we are just going to, so let's look for it. Let's look for it. Okay, this is it. This is it. So this is it. So we just take it backwards. Just take it backward behind the Jesus face, and we reduce the opacity. Reduce the opacity. Okay, so we just align this very well. Okay. Then the next thing we are going to do is to bring in our. So this is the design. So we just bring in our. The Bible said that we should not forsake the gathering of brethren. Also remember the Sabbath day and keep it holy. All right. So we just bring it in. Okay, sorry for that. So we are just going to. So yes, the Bible said. The Bible says we should not forsake the gathering brethren. Also, remember the Sabbath day, and keep it holy. Happy Sunday. Alright, so you just click OK. We reduce this. We are going to reduce it. Then we change the font to this Helvetica. So we still reduce it. Then we centralize it. We bring it here. We still reduce it a bit.